Melanin is melanin. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your first time, please don't make it your last. And my name is Tinney. I'm a makeup artist, and my YouTube channel is about beauty, makeup, and lifestyle vlogs. So today we have a very interesting video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on that subscribe button, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and please check out other videos on my channel. Today's video, I have a guest, but like you can't see the guest, but you are going to hear him speak. So I have my friend Tinney Visuals. He will be doing my voiceover for the first time today, and it's not just a regular voiceover, so this is like a makeup tutorial.
So good morning people, my name is Tinney. We're here to, I don't know what we're here to do. Okay, that was fast. This is bomb. This is ELF. I don't know what it's for, but I think it's okay, this is not foundation, but I don't know what she's doing. She's doing it. This is, I think you can spray it, you know, so that you can put the foundation on the face properly. This is Jesus Christ, what are all these things? Like, just put the foundation already. Can we just begin? Yeah, this is the foundation, and you can see she's using a very little brush so that the foundation can foundate, you understand? And what's this? I think this is another kind of brush. This one, you add it everywhere. I don't know. Anyway, when you're doing sharp, when you're editing this audio, please, I want you to use Burna Boy as the background music. Anyway, what is this one again? Is this another foundation? I beg, what's in the face color? Because what's in the red, though? Everything on the red for this place. Anyway, what do I call this? I don't know, honestly, but let's go. Let's see what she's doing. I think she's not applying this one everywhere, like all over the face. I think it's just some particular. Oh, it's already going on. It's going everywhere already. Yeah, so she's still applying it, obviously. Oh, this is like a color palette. Why is she adding pink? Oh yeah, for the blush, you understand? Money is already looking beautiful. Ugly girl of just now, looking fine. Nice on. Yeah, this is a big brush, you can see, so you can apply the blush very well. Did I say blush or brush? I beg. I don't know why the red blush is already all over the face. Supposed to be like on the cheek, isn't it? But let's just watch. As far as she's already looking beautiful, let's just continue. Let's just go with the flow. This is Mubarak, or what is that? Merak ginger. Oh, for the eyebrows. Nice on. Let's go. I cannot see it making any changes here, but it makes sense. Yeah. It's not making any changes. I've not seen what it does. Please, are using this mirror to block our own sights. I beg, remove it. What does this one do? Oh, okay. This is, I don't know if people call this, but it does one nice listen. Please, can we talk about something else while she's doing all this? Because like, I don't really know what these things are. Yeah, so since we don't know what she's doing, and this one is one white powder on her nose like this. There was one time, another color palette. Okay, nice. I think this is for the eyes, the lashes, the brows, all of that. I don't know. Oh, it doesn't look nice. Look at that smile. God, I beg, please. I don't want to fall. I'm a mechanic. There was one time I had a shoot here, so like my makeup artist actually like fucked up. I'm not a girl though. I'm a videographer, so like I had a model. You know, my makeup artist fucked up the whole thing. She was looking so weird as fuck, and I had to like look for another makeup artist. And this pretty girl on the screen, she actually like volunteered to do it for free. You know, I don't know, but she's like a blessing. She's a very nice girl. Please patronize her. She's good, as you can see. Back to business. Oh god, I'm hungry. Back to business. Please, when she added lashes already, I'm lost. I'm really lost, because this girl has skipped so many things. Or is it me? It's not me. She's the one. Anyway, as you can see, she's working on the eyes. So, oh wow, beautiful. I think this is where it stops. Oh, what is this? How do you people add all these things to your faces and you're always like comfortable in the afternoon when you go out in the sun? It's crazy, oh. It's beyond me. So guys, as you can see, Money is already looking very pretty, and I think that's where it ends. All she has to do now is to put one big fine wig on top of that head, you know. Not necessarily, but she's already fine like this, and I'm sure that this is where it stops. It stops at this lipstick part. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. My name is what is this? I thought we already. Oh, so if you add lashes up, you add lashes down again. Or I'm sorry guys, I don't know the names of all these things, but I'm sure I did a very good job here. I think this is all. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? Look at this beautiful lady. Oh shit. Please kindly like our video, subscribe, and follow us on IG. Oh, kiss you back. Love you. Bye.
Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. As you can see, my face is popping. Like, there's something about me, but when I'm doing makeup, it's not as if I always have ideas of what I want to do. I'll just start and just go with the flow. And I really like this one, especially the hair is like so beautiful. So guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging you. This one is not even a call or anything. I'm begging. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Check out my friend's page on Instagram. His link will be in my description box, and also the handle will be showing on the screen right now. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.